Sinbad, you're alive! Glad you made it. Hey up, he lived.
What happened down there?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Try me.
All right, here goes. So I meet Eris, the goddess of chaos. She's got a major crush on me, and she invited me back to her place.
Ha! That's a good one. Goddess of Chaos? Oh, I'm writing that down.
So that's it then. No book. Now what do we do?
A little patience, Rat. It's not like we don't know where it's going.
Men, all sails to Syracuse.
Right away, sir!
I was messed.
Quite the performance. I've never seen anyone mess up that badly. That helped.
Thank you, I was trying, so...
I have saved us again! Ow! A bit more. No! Up a bit. Perfect! Walk away! Cowering, running, and pulling a skedaddle, we are safe from our enemy, the Gorg.